Good night. My name is Daniel Monroy. I'm petroleum engineer. And I am talking about the recycling campaign in the rig. In my place work, if you walk into the rig, you find many basket with the different colors. Look, the basket blue. If you want save trees, you will throw the paper in blue basket. Basket yellow basket. When you see a house made with the plastic and metal, you should put your plastic and metal bottles in the yellow basket. Green basket. If you want to save the world, your wheel glass throw into the green basket. Orange basket. Is your dinner finished and do you know do with the wastes? These wastes you put into the orange basket for help the world. The red basket. If you see red basket, sure you are in an hospital. And the gray basket. If you don't know what do with the other waste, you throw into the gray basket. Um, Thank you for your attention. This is the recycling campaign in the rig. Bye.